Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing a Citroen C3 glove box followed by the heater blower motor. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Now beginning, we will remove the Torx screws of the glove box. So there'll be one on the top right over here. Next, remove this cover and there will be another T20 Torx screw. And then we will detach the diagnostic plug, just like so. Followed by, to the bottom of the glove box, there'll be a little cover with a clip remover. Remove the 3 clips, and underneath this cover, there'll be 2 Torx screws. I only show you removing one of them, but you'll need to remove both. So these are the 2 Torx screws, one over there and one to the rear. Remove both of these. Next, we will be sliding the glove box out towards the passenger. You'll just need to get in between the glove box and the dash and slide it forward. There is a dead plug over here which is removed like so. Next, we have access to the heater blower motor. We will unplug the blower motor by pressing on both sides of the plug. The next part I will show you later in the video, but it's just a twist on this blower motor. There are no screws. You'll need to pull on that little arrow rectangle like so and twist. And to show you what I've done there, it was really hard to record whilst it was in place. Once you wriggle the blower motor out, this is pretty much it. So the arrow rectangle, you'll need to pull and twist it clockwise, the blower motor. Not fully, there'll be a certain area where the blower motor is released. And you'll need to find that area, and I will show you this. So keep turning left, right, and then there will be a position where it will come out. And this, as you can see, it slides in and then locks into position when you turn it anti-clockwise. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to see more of these how-to videos, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.